Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to General English class for second BCom third semester, affiliated to Bangalore University, session 32. Let's continue with the lesson Professional Guides to Cultivating Humanity, written by Hema Raghavan. Let's have a quick recap of the previous sessions. In the introduction, we saw how the author Hema Raghavan came across a thoughtful advertisement which said, "Need just 6 professionals to make our world a better place, a beautiful place." These 6 professionals are within us, but we are not aware of it. It is like a spark which is within us, lamp in a bushel, but we still remain in darkness. It is also like Matthew Arnold's scholar gypsy who was waiting for a spark to fall from heaven. The first professional who's required is an electrician in order to light up the relationship that has been lost in the modern world of technology. Yes, we have lost the human contact, feelings, emotions, and interpersonal rapport. How can we rekindle it? How can we connect this? How can we pass the current? This electrical current can be passed with the help of words, emotions, feelings, gestures, and physical togetherness, which is the need of the hour. It is all required for the survival of humanity because human beings are interdependent. There should be a free flow of current, which will help us to restore the vitality of interpersonal communication. Secondly, we need an optician. Why do we need an optician? We need an optician so that we might get rid of the rigidities that is obstructing or reversing the process of globalization process. The cultural rigidity will also result in alienation from the global community. So we need a balance to accept the cultural legacy of the various global community. We need opticians to change the outlook of life, create a global optics in order to balance the tradition with humanity. Third, now let's see who's the third professional who's required. An artist. Who's an artist? Who makes art, right? 20th century is a modern age. This is an age wherein we believe in make everything new. Newness in various fields. Old order changeth, leaving place to new. Yes, 20th century is such a time where we need everything new. It could be comedy shown on Indian TV shows. Yes. Earlier, comedy had a different scenario. But today, in the name of humor, people are dissecting and destroying others. They pull each other's legs, condemn each other in the name of humor. Yes, we have lost the art of smiling. Yes, in order to laugh and smile, we carry out a different form. Why do we need an artist? Yes, this is where an artist is required. An artist is required to need to draw a smile, see the beauty of the world, not just the poor humor, but to see the beauty which is around us, which is prevalent around us. Yes, we also need an artist so that we can understand and follow what is called Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Yes, all are equal. Need to develop an artistic eye to add colors to our life with a smile. Let's try to look at the beauty which is around us. Beauty in everything, in every little things. Beauty around us. We have forgotten to smile. Yes, there is no interpersonal relationship. There is no feelings, emotions. As a result, we have forgotten to smile. Let's develop an artistic eye so that we can see the beauty, the little things, the tiny little things around us, which would add beauty and colors to our life with a smile. Thank you.